Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Augustine and I'm so happy to do this job as a counselor and to always be talking to you guys and for these mental health insights. And thank you so much those of you who are supporting FLEXYHOPE and those who are learning Luganda and English on the other channel. Before you learn, before you do anything else in life, you need to have a good mental health and your mental health checked. And that's what I do as a counselor. And if you want to do counseling, just call me, come to the office here in Bujawali, and then I'll be able to help. Before I continue and waste so much time, I want to ask you questions. How do you feel when somebody comes to you for help and they ask you to help them with something? That's the first question. The second question is, how do you feel when somebody comes to you, you're busy, and then they say they need to talk to you, they need your time? And those people, you don't think of them as special people. They're just normal people that you might not regard as, they're going to benefit your life. And what do you think, or how do you think, what comes to your mind when somebody that you already know needs help from you? When they say, hey, Augustine, hey, counselor, I want to talk to you for a few minutes. The first question is, how do you feel when somebody asks for help from you? And then the second one is, how do you feel when strangers or people that you know come to you and they say, I need a few minutes with you? And then the last question is, how do you feel when somebody that you already know is a beggar kind of asks you that they want to talk to you for a few minutes? I want to give you some insights about that. I know naturally we were born with that feeling. Every time somebody that you know needs help from you, they come to you, you always want to, chase them away. Say, no, I can't help you. I don't have any kind of help that I can deliver to you. Oh, these other people, when they say, counselor or so and so, I need some help from you. You feel that inner thing like you want to tell them, no, I can't help you. That's the natural way we feel. Inborn, you feel like, man, I can't help. Why do they always need help from me? Those are three ways that I have just shared a moment ago about. One is somebody they need help from you always, and then the second one, somebody who you know is always needing help from people when they want to talk to you for a moment. And then when you are busy and somebody just comes in and say, "Hey, I need some time with you," the natural feeling is no, chase them away. Tell them, man, I can't help you. I can't talk to you. I'm a little busy. But this week, God has been testing me in that way. The person that came to me that they needed help, I really felt so bad. Like I felt like I can't help them, but I went ahead and helped them. I helped them, and I know they felt so good about it. They didn't expect me to just answer. So before we just tell people, no, I can't help you, I can't do it, why can't we come up with a different plan? Why can't you tell somebody, oh, let me see what I can do for you? Oh, I'll check around, I'll call a few people, and then I'll see how much I can get you. Instead of telling people, I can't help you. No, go to somebody else, I can't help you. And then this other person that wanted to talk to me, we always say, no, I am busy. I don't want to talk to them. Like, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Can you come back tomorrow? That's what we feel saying at that particular moment and in our inherent DNA. We want to just tell them, man, I can't talk to you now. Come later. That's what I felt too. I'm not exceptional because I'm born as a human and I have blood and flesh. That's what I feel. What about telling these people, hey, can we just giving these people just 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 50 seconds for them to give you highlights on what they were really anticipating to talk to you about? Can you just tell them, yes, yes, Samson, what were you talking about? Like, what is it? Does it need a few minutes? Can you just give me the highlight in 1 minute? You get. If you don't teach yourself to respond that way, you're going to miss out on so many things because we misjudge people. Sometimes they are coming to help us. They're not coming to ask for things. They're not coming to, be beggars. Actually, the second person that wanted my time, they are ones he is one of those that I think he's always looking for help. He's kind of like a beggar and all that stuff. I shared at some point in my video that if you are annoyed with somebody, stop that, because some people carry the package. God give them the package that is going to lead you to success. This is actually what happened. This person had the package that I needed. He had a package. He had money that was given to him to deliver to FLEXYHOPE. Think about that. But in my original thinking, I thought, man, I'm not going to let them waste my time. I'm just going to tell them, no, just go. We'll meet tomorrow. But giving them time, don't judge people before you talk to them every time. Every time you talk to people, maybe they have a different idea, they have a different question and a different problem. It doesn't mean that every time they come to you, they're always going to ask for something. It might be their habit, but give them a chance every time and politely tell them how you don't have any help that you're giving to them, or how you don't have any money that you are giving to them. Even this other person that you know is always begging, 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 and looking for help, give them time, give them a chance, because you might block your opportunities. I can't stress this enough. Respect people the way they are, and if you're giving them something, give them. If you're not giving them something, don't show them positively that you're not going to help them. I have a friend who I called when I was in trouble. I love this guy. Even now, I still remember his words. He said, let me try. Call me back in an hour. I called him back in an hour. He didn't have anything. And he said, I'm so sad. I've tried this and that, but I couldn't find any help. But stay in touch with me. I'm going to continue trying. If I get something, I'll deliver as soon as possible. So let's handle people well. Let's not judge people. Let's not over anticipate things, but always love our brothers and sisters, and let's share with people, because the natural way, the inborn thing is there. We don't want to share with people. We don't want to give people some of what we have. So let's teach ourselves slowly by slowly to share with others that little thing, because if we share, we're storing that stuff, we're storing riches up there where the moths won't be able to eat them. But if we store here, the rats, the moths, the time wasters, we eat all of that stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you you enjoyed the video and you've learned something from that.